When you think of the law of attraction, which is one of the 12 universal laws, you probably wonder how you can incorporate these laws into your life to attract more wealth and abundance to create an all-round thriving business and personal life. However, as you begin to go deeper into the depths of the invisible realm where most of the work needs to be done in order to create the thriving 3D reality that you desire, you find an additional 7 sub-laws to the law of attraction that deal with various aspects of our mental state. Learning and understanding these laws can help you look at your experiences, whether interpreted as positive or negative, from a different, more philosophical perspective. And if you've been around listening to my podcast or channel here, you'll know that I love to go deep and philosophical. I love it so much because it can help you see the bigger picture and help you understand the higher learning of your soul's purpose. So in this video, I'm breaking down the law of attraction into its 7 sub-laws. Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah, money mindset and abundance mentor, helping you transform your life into one that is a thriving life by design. I'm also the host of the For the Love of Thriving podcast, so if you want to check that out, I've linked it below. Remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for your weekly dose of Thrive. But for now, let's get into the 7 laws of attraction in detail. The law of manifestation. This particular law states that the object of our constant focus will manifest in our lives, whether or not it is positive. So your thoughts and feelings are mirrored and reflected in the world around you, whether or not you realize it. And this makes your mind a super powerful tool. The more you can infuse messages of abundance and positivity, the more fulfilling, exciting, and beautiful your life reflects these thoughts in all areas. On the opposite side of the spectrum, negative energy, vibration, and thinking can lead to the manifestation of negative outcomes. You really have a lot of power to manifest your dreams and desires if you are consciously feeding your mind with positive thoughts and thoughts of opportunity. The second law is the law of magnetism, and this law is really helpful in helping you to understand what has happened in your life until now and what the possibilities for the future are. When you understand that everything you've experienced up until this point in your life is the result of the energy frequency that you release out into the world, you will notice that we are the magnets in our own lives. Everything is a result of our energy vibration. Just like the universe, you too are made of vibrational energy, so whatever frequency you put out comes right back. And this is why it's imperative to ensure the energy that you release into the world is the type of energy that you accept receiving back to you. And I love this law so much because a great example of this was when I had my birthday dinner a few months back, and none of my friends knew each other at the table, only for all of them to basically leave as friends. And one of my friends told me that all the friends that I have are a reflection of who I am, which I never stopped to think about it like that until she had mentioned it. So I thought it was pretty cool. Third law is the law of unwavering desire, or law of pure desire. And this law explains why some of our desires remain unfulfilled. When it feels like the law of attraction isn't working for you, it may be time to revisit exactly what it is that you desire. Unshakable desire is the most basic requirement for a successful manifestation. You might feel and think you like something and want it, but it simply may not be strong enough and stable enough to withstand the manifestation process. And it takes much more than one positive thought to reveal the life of your dreams. When you see others manifesting their big desires, they understand that there was never a genie granting their wishes, but the power of a strong desire. The purity and intention and freedom from fear, doubt, and desperation are the keys to unwavering desire. And as you are driven by this pure intention, only then can you be certain of a beneficial outcome. As you start your manifestation journey, you need to think hard whether the desire you're hoping to manifest is something that you truly and deeply desire. Being specific and knowing exactly what you want is the first step to making any desire a reality. These are the only desires that really stand a chance of manifesting. And a great way to get to the core of your desire is through journaling, which is why I've created a law of attraction planner / manifestation journal for you that I've linked in the description below. The fourth law is the law of delicate balance, or paradoxical intent. Now, balance is one of the key themes in law of attraction. As you find balance within yourself, you are essentially releasing a happy, peaceful, and content state of mind. And it's only when you are in balance that you can raise your frequency and energy vibrations to match to that of your desires in order to manifest them into your life. Simply by showing appreciation and gratitude, you are already tapping into this balance. While on the contrary, when the feelings of depression, obsession enter the mind, it destroys the balance. It literally pushes a thing or people that you desire right away. And it's one thing to want something, and it's another to have desperate energy behind what you want. Therefore, you end up repelling and pushing it further away from you. Instead, choose gratitude as your default and feel gratitude towards the things that you have in your life right now. In my journal, I also have a section talking about gratitude if you also need further help with this. Number 5 is the law of harmony or synchronization. Everything in this universe is connected through energy sources. That means you are also connected via many energy sources. The law of harmony exists for you to reveal and use the deep power that you possess to align yourself with the energy flowing through the universe. As you tap into the universal flow, you grant access to what the world has to offer. And this gives you more power of creation, more abundance, and more of what you deeply desire. By being conscious of this, you can harmoniously align yourself every day with the universe in order to open up your highest manifesting power. The 6th law is the law of action or conscientious action. How you treat others and behave directly influences and affects your own life. By choosing the right path of being a good human and choosing to do the right thing, or by offering a helping hand to others, it will attract more positivity into your life. Remember, just like a magnet, the honor and integrity you put out into the world will continually reveal itself back to you in the same way. And of course, life can be challenging sometimes, therefore making it easier to operate from a lower EQ and from a state of stress, but you still have a choice to respond in a way that serves you rather than destructs you. By keeping your energy frequency high and tuned into dignity and honor, the universe will always work in your favor. The 7th law is the law of universal influence, also known as the law of expanding influence. You are an integral part of the universe, as am I, as is everyone else in this world. This basically means that all of our words and actions impact the world around us. You can have impact on everything from the harmony of your family, the productivity of your business, to the peace of the world. Your individual vibration becomes a part of the universe. And this law is telling us that we have an influence on everyone around us, from family to friends to strangers, who are impacted by the energy that you release. Therefore, it's super important to be mindful of what you do, say, and think. While these 7 laws of attraction are a great place to start when it comes to making more conscious choices, your energetic vibrations of your conscious and subconscious beliefs is the most important place to focus on in order to make lasting changes in your attraction and bring your manifestations to fruition. Now, if you made it this far, I want to hear from you in the comments. Do you use the law of attraction as part of your daily practice? Let me know in the comments. And as always, if you found this video insightful, useful, inspirational, let me know in the comments as well. And when you subscribe to my channel, I'll be adding more videos based on tools and techniques on reprogramming your subconscious mind, money mindset, and money blocks, and so much more. So definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. And as a bonus, be sure to download my free In Tune Rituals workbook linked below to take you through some exercises to help with reprogramming and also help you create a powerful morning ritual where it all begins. Until next time, stay thriving and take care of yourself.